What a beautiful day. Wow. What the hell? Alright guys, C8 1-year review. Let's get into it. Alright guys, C8 1-year review. Got all my attire on for this. Newbies, blue jeans, jacket. And we're gonna talk about this right here. 2023 Rapid Blue C8 convertible 2LT car. As you can see, I dropped the top for you guys. Red interior. Might as well start off with the interior here so you got the top down. Blue belts. Some hits of blue here and there. You guys saw in the last video, I did mention not everyone's gonna love this spec. You got some blue, you got some red, whatever. You know, that's our style. The car's so good, I don't know what to say about it at all.
Yeah.
Just, I guess, look. What else is it for me to add? Lowered Paragon springs. Check the gap out. Not much. I mean, I see C8s all the time, but do I see C8 looks like this all the time? I guess in my own garage, but other than that, no. You guys need to mod this thing. Look how much better this looks from the stock form. We'll throw up a picture of how it looked like stock on the screen right now, and then put it beside this. Not even close, can't even compare it. Simple. Already went over this in the collection video. It's a little duckbill. I think it adds a nice line to the back of the car. Adds some length to the car. Makes it look really aggressive. Black diamond. 20s up front, 21s in the rear. The stock C8 wheels. Terrible. This is the second C8 we've had on the roster here. We had a 2020. This is a 23. The wheels were the first thing that were gone on this car. The stock wheels, not nice at all. So if you're gonna get a C8, save some money on the side for a new set of wheels. The 325, pretty big tire on the rear. Sport 4s, amazing tire. So that's our go-to tire. The C6 had that, the last C8 had that, this C8 has them. So guys, starting to pour rain, so we're gonna have to put the roof up, unfortunately. Put the roof up. Pretty easy thing to do, right? So you're just like that, roof's up. No rain touching me. We should time that. That's what, like a 10-15 second roof up and down. So actually, you know what? Show the bird shit. We're all human. Shit happens. Paint match splitter. You know, we're not gonna go too crazy with this car. Probably gonna keep it how it is right now. Super reliable car. Super easy to drive. Out of the box, ready to go car. Anyone can drive it. Pretty fast. I'm not gonna say it's not. I should actually open this up. Red stitching. Blue Z button. Red charger. talk some numbers? We'll talk some numbers. This is probably just gonna stay how it is. Just calm, you can daily drive it. Back into it, guys. Follow me. I do want to show you guys the key on this car. Not the factory key. Shout out Paragon. Nice little key cover. Lock, unlock, obviously. Trunk, put the roof down. This is my favorite button right here. You guys signed up for it. JMA, baby. Every day is super crazy. We're gonna take it over here to the interior. Let's dive into this a little bit. As opposed to the C5, C6 we have on the roster, you don't see a stick. There's no stick. How do you shift? Well, bring the camera right here. Very simple setup. Park, reverse, neutral, drive, M, manual. You can change the mode, so you can set your custom mode here, throw it into weather mode, get a little bit quieter, grips up nice in the snow. You're gonna notice the dash change a little bit here. Tour mode, we're gonna put it in track mode here though. That's what I like to drive in mostly. You can hear the tone of the car, gets a little bit louder in track mode, opens it up a bit. Steering's a lot stiffer in track mode. Suspension's a little bit stiffer in track mode as well. Really good Bose sound system. Being such a small cockpit, bass hits in this thing. 1, 2. Check out the trunk, guys. Trunk's in the front like an elephant, guys. Not much in there. Just the essentials. Trickle charger. Screwdriver. Wheel lock. You can fit a carry-on or two in there. Take us to the airport. You can fit a small suitcase in there. Nothing too exciting in there. One, two. Here's the rear trunk. Oh, you guys like golfing? A couple bags of Callaways in there, no problem. Small little trunk, soft close. What do you guys think of this? This is a new addition. Let's put a little pinstripe here on the rear diffuser. Brings out the bottom of the diffuser a little bit more too. A lot of people don't even notice that part of the diffuser at the bottom, but nice little highlight just to bring it out.